it's Kathy the Crafty Chica. I am partnering with Cricut to bring you this super cool project. These are holiday prayer candles. You can put all the things that you're grateful for, either to give as a gift or keep it for yourself for good vibes. We're starting off with smart vinyl, transfer tape, the Cricut Joy, some prayer candles, some different weeding tools, and I designed these images 2 inches by 6 3/4 inches, and then I uploaded them into Design Space. And this is my favorite part of Design Space. You can go in, remove the background, look in the upper right corner. You can see all the places where you need to remove the background in between the letters. It really gives you a good indication of how you're doing so you don't miss any spots. After that, go to the next screen and you can smooth it all out so it looks nice and clean and polished when you're finished. After that, you're going to want to give it a name. I'm calling this one Candle 1 because I made several of these. I just knew that it was going to turn out. Crossing my fingers it does. Okay, from here you're going to insert it into your screen. Again, the sweet spot was 2 inches across. These candles are very skinny, and I'm not gonna lie, I was a little worried because there's just a lot of detail in there, but let's see what happens. So you're going to click on the smart vinyl without the mat, and it's going to tell you to insert your vinyl, and you press go and it will start cutting. So the whole time that it was cutting, I kept looking at it thinking, wow, I used some really fancy fonts. I wonder if it's going to pick up all of the detail. And granted, 2 inches, that's kind of a small space. But look at it turned out. I know it's white on white. It's a little hard to see, but let me show you as we go along. So here I am weeding off the excess vinyl, and I went a little fast with this. I was just so excited, and the whole time I was thinking, please let this work, please let this work. And so far so good. So I peeled off that excess vinyl, and then go in with your weeding tool and remove all of the spaces in between the letters, all the excess vinyl. Here we have some strong grip transfer tape. You're going to carefully apply that, and then use your scraper on both sides. Get it so that it really sticks to those letters, and then carefully peel away the backing. I found the easiest way was to roll it off just like this, and it is a perfect cut vinyl piece. Now you take your candle, make sure to rub it down with alcohol so it's free of any fingerprints or debris. Center it, place it down on the candle, and you're going to burnish it again with the scraper really well. Do it several times so that the letters will stay down as you peel back the plastic, the transfer tape. So here I am peeling it back, and it came out perfectly. These candles are perfect for the holiday season because you can put down all the things you're grateful for, maybe a quote from a family member, a wish. There's just so many ideas. Thank you so much for checking out my project, and to learn all about the Cricut Joy and other Cricut machines, visit Cricut.com, and for even more crafty ideas, visit CraftyChica.com. Thanks guys!